Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how I built a code generator using Google's Gemma model and Python. It's a simple CLI tool that takes your description and generates actual code using AI. So let's dive in. Now I am going to share my code block with you. So now you can see here at first you can how to run this code. You can find the full walkthrough in my GitHub readme page. At first, let me run this. We will run our export, our Gemini key. Now, what we will do is we will run the script python main.py. When we run this, it will tell us to what we want to generate. Like here you can see an example, a function to check if a number is prime or not. Initially it will generate a code in Python. So if I write let's say I will write as it is in the example here, a function to check if a number is prime. Now when I hit enter, it is attempting to generate a code with Gemma 327B IT. So here you can see, here is our code. If we copy and run it in any code editor, you can see sometimes it make a big mistake, but it is most of the time it does good. Now let's jump into our code part, or how this actually works. At first, we will get our Gemini API key from our Google AI Studio. Then we will create a generate with Gemma function. Here we are creating a prompt to get Gemma with our code description. Now the response is streamed back and printed in real time, as you have seen here. And then we wrap the user input in a code specific prompt using Markdown. We have seen that our code was written in a Markdown format, so we can copy this. And then what we will need for running this whole code. At first, we will need a Python. We will need we should install the pip, install Google Generative AI package, and set up your API key. I have shown all the setup steps in the README file. So it will be easier for you. What you can do is you can fork the repository, and then you can try this yourself. You can create your own Gemini API key, then you can try this out. So this is just a starting point. You can turn this into a web app, integrate it with a VS Studio Code extension, or even make a chatbot. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI plus Python projects. Let me know in the comments what you want to generate with Gemma next. Thank you so much.